Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel CNC for TDM. Today in this video, we are going to discuss types of fits. So there are three types of fits. One is this clearance fit, other is interference fit, and third is transition fit. So these are the types of fits. So let us discuss one by one. So this is clearance fit. First thing is clearance fit means this is your shaft and this is your hole. So there should be some gap between shaft and hole. Some gap, some tolerance should be there. So that type of fit is called clearance fit. Actually, when one part slides in the other part, so that there we need clearance fit. In machine parts where lubrication is required, some gap is required. So their clearance fit is required. One part is sliding in the other, just like piston slides in the cylinder and all that. So such type of, so this clearance fit. Actually, what is clearance fit? So if you see properly these two figures, this is your hole, this is your shaft. So shaft here given, this is minimum dia of the shaft given here 29.85 mm, and this is maximum size of the shaft is 29.9 mm, and this is called shaft tolerance here. This is the tolerance. How much is the tolerance? 29.85 and 29.9. So in the shaft tolerance is 0.05 mm. 29.9 minus 29.85. So this 0.05 mm, this is the tolerance of the shaft. And similarly, if you see this hole maximum size is given here 30 mm and minimum size is given 29.95 mm. So here also, how much is the tolerance? 30 minus 29.95. So this 0.05 mm, this is the tolerance on the hole. Okay, the hole tolerance, this black zone, this is tolerance zone here, and this much is the tolerance. So, and now we need how much is the clearance in both hole and shaft. So there are two things. One is maximum clearance, other is minimum clearance. So maximum clearance means minimum size of the shaft and maximum size of the hole. So that will be the maximum clearance. Suppose hole is maximum size is say 30 mm and shaft is minimum size is 29.85. So how much will be the clearance? 30 minus 29.85. This will be 0.15 mm. 0.15. So this is the maximum clearance here. 30 minus 29.85. Okay. But now is how much is the minimum clearance? Minimum clearance will be minimum size of the hole and maximum size of the shaft. Difference between these two. So here, because minimum size is 29.95 and maximum size is 29.9. So here this clearance will be 29.95 minus 29.9. This will be 0.05 mm. So this is here minimum clearance allows. So minimum clearance, how much it is? It is 0.05 mm. So this is the minimum clearance and this is the maximum clearance. So so this much is allowed, this much clearance. So gap, minimum gap should be 50 micron and maximum gap should be 150 micron. So This is a type of clearance fit. This is called clearance fit. Okay. So similarly, next is this is interference fit. Interference fit means when the size of the shaft is more than the size of the hole, then there will be interference. Okay. So here, how much is the interference? Similarly, we can calculate how much is the maximum interference and how much is the minimum interference. Same way. So if you see here, this is a maximum dia of the hole given here, 30.25. 30.25 is the maximum dia of the hole. Okay. And minimum dia of the shaft, how much it is? Minimum dia is 30.3. 30.3 and it is 30.25. So hole size is still less than the shaft. But by how much? It is 0.05 only, because 30.3 minus 30.25. So how much is the minimum clearance? Minimum interference. This minimum interference, this we have calculated how much it is. It is because this size is 30.3 here and this is 30.25. So minimum interference, because hole minimum, it is maximum dia of the hole, and minimum dia of the shaft. Okay. So this is minimum interference is 0.05. 0.05 here. 0.05 mm, because this hole is minimum shaft is 30.3 and this maximum diameter of the hole is 30.25. Okay, because in the maximum shaft, maximum size of the hole is 30.25 and so this is minimum dia of the shaft is this much. So this interference is this. Okay. Now how much is the maximum interference? Maximum interference means maximum size of the shaft. Maximum size of the shaft is 30.4. 30.4 and minimum size of the hole is 30.15. So this interference is how much? 30.15 and 30.4. This is 0.25. How much it is? 0.25 mm. Maximum interference. How much it is? Maximum interference is 0.25 because it is 30.4 and that was 30.15. So this is maximum interference. So this way we can calculate how much is the interference, but some time it is needed this type of fitting, particularly when we see the in CNC milling adapter and cutter, so they should have some interference when it is shrink fit cutter is there, then this type of fitting is required, for example. Okay, and now the third is transition fit. Transition fit means there may be some clearance also and some interference also. Both are acceptable. Just like when we do doubling into 3 plates or for referencing, for positioning, when we have to again open the assembly. So then we need this type of fitting, transition fit. Okay. So here if you see, this is same way we can calculate this in transition fit also. How much is the interference and how much is the clearance? Both we have to calculate. So if you see here in this example, so the hole diameter, maximum diameter of the hole is 30.05 and minimum dia is 29.95. So this is the tolerance, 29.95 and 30.15. So tolerance is 0.1 mm here on the hole. Similarly, if you see shaft, this is 30 mm, 30 mm and 29.95 mm. So these are two sizes and this is tolerance on the shaft. So how much is the tolerance? Tolerance here also 30 minus 29.95, so 0.05. Okay. So we see here, if say minimum size is 29.95 of the hole and maximum size is 30 of the shaft. So how much is the interference? Interference is 30 minus 29.95, it is 0.05 mm is the interference. Okay. So, and how much is the clearance? You say, how much may be the clearance? Clearance may be hole, let us take the hole should be of maximum size 30.05 and shaft may be of minimum size 29.95. So 30.05 minus 29.95. So this is 0.1. 0.1 is the clearance. Either 0.1, 29.95 or 30.05. Okay. 0.1 may be the clearance or 0.5 may be the interference. Okay. So this way we can calculate. So this type of fits are required, and I think it's clear to you how we decide, how we uh, calculate this tolerances on the fits, different type of fits. So there are these three types of fits: clearance fit, interference fit, and transition fit. I think it's clear to you. See you soon in next video. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.